The world of robotics is on the cusp of a revolution. Humanoid robots, once confined to the realm of science fiction, are rapidly becoming a tangible reality. These remarkable machines are no longer mere figments of our imagination. They are poised to reshape our world in profound ways. From sophisticated artificial intelligence to advanced materials and manufacturing techniques, the pace of innovation in robotics is accelerating at an unprecedented rate. The year 2024 promises to be a pivotal year in the evolution of humanoid robots. Leading robotics companies around the world are making groundbreaking advancements, pushing the boundaries of what these machines can achieve. These advancements are not merely incremental improvements, they represent a paradigm shift in robotics, blurring the lines between human capabilities and artificial intelligence. As we delve into the latest developments in humanoid robotics, we will explore the remarkable capabilities of robots like Sanctuary AI's Phoenix, Boston Dynamics Atlas, and Engineered Art's Ameca. We will examine how these robots are being designed to interact with the physical world and perform tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. The future of humanoid robots is bright, filled with both promise and challenges. Join me as we embark on this captivating journey into the heart of humanoid robotics, exploring the technological marvels that are shaping the future of our world. The dawn of humanoid robots can be traced back to the early 20th century, where the first mechanical beings were conceptualized. Today these robots are not just confined to industrial applications, but are making their way into education, research, and even our homes. The journey from rudimentary machines to sophisticated humanoid robots has been nothing short of extraordinary. As we continue to innovate, the potential for humanoid robots to learn, adapt, and integrate into our daily lives grows exponentially. The dawn of humanoid robots is not just a technological milestone, it's a new era of human-robot collaboration. As we look to the future, humanoid robots are set to play crucial roles in space exploration and disaster response, showcasing their versatility and resilience. The dawn of humanoid robots marks the beginning of a transformative journey, one that will redefine our relationship with technology and open new frontiers of possibility. Sanctuary AI has long been at the forefront of humanoid robot development, and their latest creation, Phoenix, is a testament to their unwavering pursuit of innovation. Phoenix is not just another humanoid robot, it represents a significant leap forward in robotic dexterity and cognitive abilities. At the core of Phoenix's remarkable capabilities lies its advanced, tactile sensor system. Imagine a robot that can feel the world around it with a level of sensitivity approaching that of human touch. Phoenix's tactile sensors, strategically embedded in its fingertips, allow it to perceive and manipulate objects with unparalleled precision. This breakthrough in tactile sensing technology enables Phoenix to perform a wide range of delicate tasks, from handling fragile objects to assembling intricate components, with minimal error rates. The implications of Phoenix's advanced tactile sensing capabilities are far-reaching. In manufacturing and assembly lines, Phoenix has the potential to significantly enhance productivity and efficiency, reducing errors and improving overall product quality. Its ability to perform tasks that require a delicate touch opens up new possibilities in fields such as healthcare, where robots could assist with surgeries or provide care for the elderly. Sanctuary AI's Phoenix is a testament to the transformative power of advanced tactile sensing in robotics. As this technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see humanoid robots like Phoenix playing an increasingly important role in our lives. The touch and precision of Phoenix are setting new standards in the world of robotics. With each advancement, the line between human and robot capabilities continues to blur. The symphony of touch and precision in Phoenix is a marvel of modern engineering, pushing the boundaries of what robots can achieve. As we look to the future, the potential applications of such advanced robotics are limitless, promising a new era of human-robot collaboration. Boston Dynamics has captivated the world with its impressive lineup of robots, and Atlas, their flagship humanoid robot, continues to push the boundaries of athleticism and agility. Known for its dynamic movements and uncanny ability to navigate complex terrains, Atlas has undergone a significant transformation, transitioning from a tethered, hydraulically powered machine to a fully electric, self-contained powerhouse. This shift to an all-electric design has unlocked a new level of freedom and efficiency for Atlas. Untethered from external power sources, Atlas can now operate with greater autonomy, exploring challenging environments without the limitations of hydraulic hoses and tethers. The move to electric actuation has also resulted in a quieter, smoother operation, making Atlas more suitable for real-world applications. The benefits of Atlas's electric transformation extend beyond its physical capabilities. The elimination of hydraulic systems simplifies maintenance and reduces the risk of leaks, making Atlas a more reliable and robust platform. This enhanced reliability is crucial for real-world deployments, where robots need to operate consistently and safely in challenging environments. Boston Dynamics Atlas is a testament to the relentless pursuit of innovation in robotics. Its evolution from a hydraulically powered machine to an agile electric athlete showcases the transformative potential of cutting-edge technologies. As Atlas continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more impressive feats of athleticism and agility from this remarkable robot. Meanwhile, Tesla is making strides with its Tesla Bot, aiming to revolutionize the humanoid robot market with advanced AI and electric power. The Tesla Bot is designed to handle dangerous, repetitive, or boring tasks, leveraging Tesla's expertise in AI and electric vehicles to create a versatile and efficient robot. As both Atlas and Tesla Bot continue to advance, the future of humanoid robots looks increasingly electric and incredibly promising. Beyond humanoid robots, the electric revolution is transforming transportation, with electric vehicles becoming more prevalent and efficient. The integration of renewable energy sources like solar and wind power is further propelling us into a sustainable electric future. From smart homes to energy-efficient systems, the shift to electric power is reshaping our daily lives and paving the way for a greener planet. As we leap into this electric future, the possibilities are endless, promising a world that is not only more advanced but also more sustainable. While robots like Phoenix and Atlas excel in physical tasks, Engineered Art's Ameca is pushing the boundaries of human-robot interaction. Ameca is not just a technological marvel, it's a work of art, meticulously crafted to evoke a sense of wonder and connection. With its incredibly realistic facial expressions and fluid movements, Ameca blurs the line between machine and human, paving the way for more natural and engaging interactions between humans and robots. But Ameca is more than just a pretty face. Beneath its lifelike exterior lies a sophisticated artificial intelligence engine, capable of understanding and responding to human emotions. This ability to perceive and react to human emotions allows Ameca to engage in more meaningful and impactful interactions. Further enhancing Ameca's interactive capabilities is its seamless integration with Huawei's 5G network. This ultra-fast, low-latency network enables Ameca to process information and respond to stimuli in real time, creating a truly immersive and responsive interactive experience. The combination of Ameca's advanced AI and the power of 5G opens up exciting possibilities for the future of human-robot interaction. Engineered Art's Ameca is a testament to the power of robotics to transcend its technological roots and touch the human spirit. As robots like Ameca become more sophisticated and commonplace, we can expect to see a future where humans and robots interact with each other in more natural, intuitive, and meaningful ways. The potential applications for Ameca are vast, from education to healthcare and beyond. As we continue to innovate, the line between human and robot will blur even further, leading to unprecedented collaboration and creativity.